It was supposed to be a surprise, but they knew that I'm in the road all the time doing errands and whatnot. And so Katie Black called me and she said, well, Amy, it's supposed to be a surprise. And I said, okay, you gotta tell me what it is. And so she went ahead and she said, Amy, there's people that want to come help you. They organized it, they all got together and they decided they wanted to come out here to help me because I obviously needed some help. Say Dr. Hartshorn, who is one of their professors, they were supposed to be in lab right now doing that, but she let them out to come do good deeds for the community. And you've got to teach them how to give back and be good humans. And she said, and with this group, she said, they're already good.
Today we've been cleaning up Miss Amy Sanders' yard, who is our advisor. It means a lot for us to come out here and pretty much do the same thing for Miss Amy as she helped all of us out. She's a very nice person to do anything for you, so it was very nice to come back and help her whenever she couldn't help herself.
So Miss Amy has been a big part of not only mine, but my family's life. She really helped my sister while she was here from 2015 to 2019, and all I heard her talk about was how amazing Miss Amy was and how much she helped her with not only school, but also like personal things, and she was always there for her. And once I got here, she told me to reach out to her, and so I did. And ever since then, she's been a really big part of my life, and so I'm always worried about her, and she's always checks up on me. And so it's really nice to be out here to just help her for once after she's helped not only me, but also my sister. And she also gives my parents a good state of mind knowing that someone cares about us this much up here.
I advise forestry, wildlife, and E&R students. I've dedicated my life to them. This is just a little thank you, basically. So I have a hard time receiving help and asking for help, so I just normally don't. And so it's just been overwhelming, and I'm forever grateful. CAFLS kids are my heart, and they're my family, so my extended family.